Okay, I want to quickly review the difference between an expression and an equation. We've talked about that this year, but it's been a little bit, and I want to make sure you understand the difference between an expression and an equation. One way to help you remember the difference is an equation has an equal sign. Something is equal to something else. Expression just has numbers and a symbol. So I'm going to look at some of the word problems that we've done and explain where we see expressions and where we see equations. So the very last word problem that we had, it said Mrs. Whitehill is getting materials ready for Arts and Crafts Day for her 2 classes. Each student needs 4 inches of ribbon for the project. Each class has 20 students. How many inches of ribbon does she need? So one of the expressions that we used to find out how many was needed for each of the classes, there were 20 students and each child needed 4 inches, so we used this expression, 20 times 4, to find out how much was needed for each class. So this is an example of an expression. Now to find our total answer, we wrote an equation. Okay, we wrote an equation and we found the answer. 20 times 4 plus 20 times 4, and we found out that was 160. So that is an equation. So this 20 times 4 is the expression that helped us find out how much ribbon was needed for each class. So let me give you another example. Let's look back. Just look at what we did here. Leslie is making her schedule for the week. Each day after school, it takes her 2 hours to do her homework and 1 hour to do her chores. How many hours does it take her to do her homework and chores for the week? So we had to find out how many total hours. The part that is an expression would be the 5 times 3. Okay, so let me just kind of circle this. Okay, we knew it was 3 hours each night and there were 5 nights. So this is the expression part. The 5 times 3 is an expression. Just that part of it. Now when you find the 5 times 3 equals 15, now that's an equation. It has this equal sign. So now it's an equation. So again, the difference between an expression and an equation, the expression is just numbers and a symbol showing how you're going to find something. This is giving what you actually, what the answer to the problem is, equals something. Okay, so expression, numbers and an operation. Equation, numbers and operation, and equals something. Now sometimes if you're going to solve a problem like this is an equation too. It doesn't give you the answer. That's what we had to find. But there's an equals something. Okay? So equation, expression, equation. All right? And hopefully this will help you with your final math assignment.